Welcome back to OmandManu'sWorld. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. So here is an exhibition with Robotics Animal Park. So here this is the actual entrance. See how beautiful it is. Wow! I cannot imagine it actually in my mind. Wow, so many lights, many colors. So here we took some pics here. So it's very beautiful. Oh, and there is a tiger coming. And what about Santa? Santa's right here giving us a present. Ooh, Omo is taking a big present from Santa. Ooh, nice. Oh, there you go. So happy. Now it's my turn to take a present from Santa. Thank you, Santa, so much for... Oh my God. Wow, Omo is battling with someone. I don't know who. He's raising a sword. Ooh, he's taking a selfie with the monkey. So nice, right? Wow, now I'm taking it. I want to be in his photo shoot. Smile, everybody. Okay, now next. This is how the robotic animals are. That is a lion. Sorry, we cut out the voice. So here is a lion. So nice. And you can see the background behind. Oh, the next one. This is a bear. So the background's very nice. Ooh, a tiger. I almost forgot. Tiger. Wow. Look at the background poster. Now, here is a bear. Wow, so nice. Hear it growl. And here is a kangaroo with its baby in its pocket. Wow. And different colors are also lightning upon it. So beautiful, isn't it? And so cute too. Wow. So I'm so amazed by this robotics. Now, here is the next one, a deer. Wow, I like the deer. And I'm saying hello too. Hello, So here was in the past. Like this was in the past. People would be like this in the past. So many people. And of course, I like the fire. Mouse, it looks like the real fire. But there's actually a cloth. It is actually a cloth. Wow. Now, wow. Now, here is the reindeer. And that is a camel. Look at it. Its head moving. And the reindeer too. And there's also in the past how they made the hut. Now this is some kind of statue. I don't know actually what it is, but it's like people sitting on an elephant. Wow, so nice. Now here is a snake. Ah! Snake! Watch out, everybody! But anyway, it's robotics, so no worries. Wow, we enjoyed it a lot. Oh, he was so happy to be there. And look, he's making funny faces. Now here is a zebra. It looks realistic. Zebra, its head is moving. I felt like it was real, but who would rather have so many real animals. It might hurt, so that's why it's robotics. I didn't know that. Now it's nice colors rise upon it. Of course it does. So Om and me are enjoying it a lot. There is a Rhino. There is it. It and its own sharp, this is a can of horn, sharp horn. Now the next one. Here is the Rhino, a closer look of it. Moving Rhino, and there you can see the legs of the giraffe. Its head is like really moving. I like it. I like being at this robotic park. So now it's the next one, of course, giraffe. So its head is like moving, and we can halfly see the Ferris wheel on the other side of the cloth. Wow, this giraffe is the tallest of all. Wow, it's the tallest animal. Now here is like a horse, but it has wings. I don't know what do we call it. Okay, I think it's a fairy or something. Fairy horse. So nice it looks, right? It also has the little horns and also beautiful wings. This is how it looks from the other side. I like the wings. And there is another flower next to it. You can see it. This is a bear. A panda, actually. Look at the panda. It's like in movement, but there is no bamboo. And just now I was saying the panda is not stronger than me. Just kidding. Now look at the panda in movement without the bamboo. It's like, but no bamboo. It's looking at his hands, but no bamboo. Wow, and this is how much far we came so far. So next, here are the recap of the animals. So next, I think these are traditional elephants. Okay, now I'm saying let's go ahead. So we are entering the exhibition. Oh, nice clothes shop, and I'm just drinking water. There are some stalls, and my father bought me cotton candy. I really like cotton candy, sugar candy. So here is a toy. There are some stores with bubble mix. So here is the toy. So I'm trying some new glasses. How do I look? Tell me in the comments. There is a Ferris wheel, and that is some kind of ride. Okay? And there is a Ferris wheel once again. It's so colorful and lighting, right? So that is a giant wheel, and now we are entering it. Wow, you can see it more closer, and that must be a dragon ride. So there are many stalls. My brother is trying to win something. So in this you need to throw the balls where whichever number it lands on, it goes inside. It goes inside that column. That many points you get. It's a kind of game there, and how many points we win? and to the equal number they'll give prizes. Very cool. So my brother's getting the last shot. Oh, we both are trying to get a high score, but I could not understand. So that's it. Now we won. Now he's counting how much we got. We scored, and he's gonna give us the prize according to it. So that basket, we won that basket in this game. So that's it. We didn't try all of them. We only tried little bit. So I'm taking the ticket for this bouncy castle, so I can play in it. Me and both of us are taking a ticket. Look at them. Wow, and I am right there. Look at my brother. We are playing. Wow. And of course it is very fun, but sometimes I am scared, but it is not scared at all. Only I'm a little bit scared. So it is very fun, and I like jumping also. So here we are climbing up to slide from the left side. Wow, now my brother is going to slide down. Of course it is not a slide, it is a bouncy castle. So here I am sliding somehow because I cannot slide. It is not a slide, I told you. So you can climb up the slide, or you can even slide on it. Look at me, I'm so excited. Wow, my gosh. So I think that's me. Yes, me and my brother, we are up there. Now we're gonna go up again. Wow, we spent a lot of time there. So this is what we ate. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please press the bell icon for more videos. Please click on one of these videos for OmandManu'sWorld and have more fun.